All right, my friends and family, here we go. Picked up this Fastcraft 14-footer. Needs all the crap taken out of it and some floor fixed, but the hull is in great shape. And got it on such a deal, I couldn't pass it up. I am looking for a trailer. Yes, sir. All right, so this is the first of the videos of what I'm getting ready to do with this boat. And the transom's good, the hull's good, but that's the only problem you can see. Let me get the other side, I'll get a better light on it, but that little bit of wood is coming up. And all these decks he put in it's coming out. That's what I'm working on now. You see the screws I'm taking out. Trolling motor works. Not that that's an advantage, but it's a plus being I only paid $200 for the whole boat. Anybody got a 14-foot trailer? Because I'm in need of one. Yep, the boat's in great shape. It's just been sitting on a boat lift and not being used. And the man just wanted it out of his way. Let's see if I can show you that floor a little better. Yeah, that's the only problem. He said he's owned it since college days, so he's had it forever. I checked the whole bottom out. Everything looked good. Alrighty, here we go. Yep. Just got some pond scum on it. That's about it. Anybody knows anything about these boats? They quit building them, but I think the guy still will rebuild the boat for you. But yeah, Fastcraft, Orangeburg, South Carolina. All right, first of my video. Keep watching.